Hi, welcome to iPlanTables. We are constantly asked by plan reviewers what are the benefits of using a large touchscreen monitor. With a large touchscreen monitor, the possibilities are endless. This technology transforms your workspace into a dynamic hub of collaboration and productivity. Imagine this: multiple team members interacting with project plans on a single, large, vibrant screen. Whether you're marking up construction drawings, analyzing design data, or brainstorming solutions, a large touchscreen monitor fosters real-time collaboration like never before. See a full-size construction set of drawings on a range of screen sizes from 32 to 75 inches touchscreen. No more flipping pages. Use your finger or active stylus instead of panning, zooming, and scrolling with your mouse. At iPlanTables, we understand the challenges you face when managing construction drawings and data analysis. That's why we've designed a solution that truly works for your needs. With our large touchscreen monitors, you no longer have to deal with the hassle of straining to see fine details on cramped screens or juggling multiple devices. And for design and construction teams, analyzing complex data becomes straightforward, saving time and reducing costly errors. We've said for a long time, it's not what you can see that worries you. It's what you miss that creates risk. With a large touchscreen monitor workstation from iPlanTables, you're not just investing in a tool, you're investing in a smarter, more connected future for your projects. Experience the difference many other professionals have. Visit iPlanTables.com to schedule your personalized webinar. Or call us at 888-836-2727. Productivity has a new look. It's iPlanTables. Contact us to help transform how you work.